Wow, because they are massive, that's why they're not attached. All new, latest release from Traxxas, the X-Maxx MT chassis. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I am taking a look at the all new, latest release from Traxxas, the X-Maxx MT chassis, or commonly referred to as the X-Monster. Now this is the latest incarnation of the X-Maxx platform, as you've gathered by the title, but it does in fact have bigger wheels. And one thing unique about this is, although it is almost ready to run, as far as comes with the radio and everything like that, the body sets are available separately. So, which is really cool. So you can buy 1, 2 or 3 different body sets to suit. There is no body set in the box here. And if you've even got an existing X-Maxx, I dare say the body system will go on. But let's have a look. Let's open the box up. Let's have a look what's inside, and I'll show you what you do get. Okay, so this is a monster. Goes without saying. So let me come over here. I've got my trusty 9 steps hobby knife. Try not to cut myself, as I'm prone to do. Now let's whip that off. Of course, it's got 3 loads of tape on it. Here we go. And this is a first for me, guys. I have not seen inside one of these as of yet. So let's have a look. Brand new to Australia, just landed in store. Let's have a look at this beast. Okay, what have we got here? Da, 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 da. Oh, first piece. Rightio, there you go. I can see the wheels are not attached. Wow, because they are massive, that's why they're not attached. Have a look at these puppies. Woo! These are big. I'll give it to them. They're big. They know what's up in the big department. Put these over to the side. Got the instructions. You've got your different battery tray mounts, and of course you've got your high-speed gearing. It's not an X-Maxx unless you have got the high-speed gearing in. Coming out further, let's get this out of the way. Oh, I love that noise. Definitely well packed. And in here, we have the radio gear. If you have played with Traxxas the last little bit, you will know all sorts about the TQI controller, and it does have the Bluetooth link in the back. Well, it's got the cover plate for the Bluetooth link, so you can get that. You can get the Bluetooth module, put it into the radio. You can download the app on your phone or device, and you can adjust the tuning of the vehicle through that, which is really cool. You can do the traction, the TSM, the Traxxas stability management, your steering trim, your endpoints, and you can see live data. You can see how fast you're going, how hot everything is, and the voltage. But yeah, that is really cool. A really good transmitter comes in with this. Now have a look at the size of this bad boy. I like that they've put the cable ties here. They have compressed the suspension for you so they can get it into the box. Let's see if I can get this massive, it's like the biggest cable tie I've ever seen. Let's see if I can't get these off, because I'd like to get the wheels on for you guys. Let's have a look at this. We'll get that cable tie off. Don't drop it off the table, Brett. Here we go. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. What you've all come to see is right here. What about these? Let's get these on. Where's the wheel nuts? Wheel nuts are in here. Oh, they even come. Folks, let's have a look. I'll put the cart to the side for a minute. The wheel set even comes with the big old driver. Let me cut this one for you. I do need a new blade in my hobby knife. We've got some screws. We've got, what are these? Oh, these are dress covers for the wheels. Okay, good job there by Traxxas. It's to give it that scale look. Wow, look at these puppies. These are massive. I dare say this wheel set will probably bolt onto your standard X-Maxx, but I won't know that until we try. Let's get these ones open, and then we can get the wheels on and see what Traxxas is all about. Now, I've seen monster trucks before, but nothing 8S, nothing quite this big. It is properly large. What scale is it, you ask? Well, I don't know. It's massive. I have seen monster trucks before, but yeah, that is a massive scale. It's bigger than my head. Look at that. They are directional. Really nice looking tires on there. Look like they'll be really good for both asphalt, dirt, gravel, grass, you name it. 8.3 by 4.4 by 3.4. Beautiful scale on the tires here. They are belted. I can see here it's written in big bold letters embossed on the sidewall. Traxxas, of course, and it's even marked with the rotation. We've got the hub centers. Looks like the conventional 17mm hex here. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to open up the wheel nut bag. So these are covers for the wheel nuts. So these will bolt. I won't put them on now, but these will screw over here to give you that scale look. Look at that. Give you that real scale monster truck look, which is really cool. I haven't seen that before on Traxxas. Where's the wheel nuts? Blue wheel nuts in here. Oh, here they go. So I've got 4 wheel nuts. I've got the wheel covers, which I'm not going to use. We've got some Allen keys, and of course we have got some instructions. It tells you how to put the wheels on and the wheel covers. I, however, have got my trusty 9 steps wheel wrench. I'm going to go ahead and use that. We'll put these away. I'll put these inside here so we don't lose them. Now let's bring this big monster chassis up and put some wheels on. Oh, look at this. This is impressive. I don't care who you are. I think you will find. I'm going to put it on the right direction so you can, wouldn't be the first time I've put them on wrong. Not 17 mil wheel hexes on this, not the 14 I think, without measuring it. 17 mil wheel nuts. Going to go ahead here and screw these up. Now they do have factory Loctite on there, which is a nice feature. It is something though with these wheel covers on, I do like to check the wheel nuts periodically, and if you put those wheel nut covers on, will make checking the wheel nuts just that little bit more tedious, because you have to take the 3 screws off for every side. This is the wheel for here. Let's have a look at this. And this is an 8S Monster, very familiar running gear with the current X-Maxx and XRT platforms. The latest Traxxas Motor and Speedy. There's even some people out there who are hopping it up with Hobbywing Max 5 gear, but honestly, I mean, I've had the standard X-Maxx for a few years now, and it is more than enough in standard form. I'm not sure it's going to do quite the 50 miles that they say, even with the pinion. I'd say it probably does a solid 70 k's an hour, 75 k's an hour with the stock pinion and spur fitted. If you do put the high speed option on, I think you can realistically go for, you know, probably 85 kilometers an hour. I think is pretty realistic for these. I'm happy to be more than corrected though. It's been a long time since I've had the speed meter on one, let alone a brand new unit. So this is about the, I want to say the 6th generation of X-Maxx. Again, I'm more than happy to be corrected, guys, in the comments. Have a look at this. That is impressive. Now that, my friends, is a monster truck. If we go out, I can only pull out so far here, guys. We can see here 8S, so you put 4S over on this side, 4S of your favorite battery over here, and in you go. You can also run it on 6S, you could run 2 3S's. Yeah, we've got the very typical OEM Traxxas style connector here, which is quite robust when they're new, but they do wear quite a lot. We have got the cooling fan and heat sink, very familiar too. We've got the double fans in there and whopping big heat sink on there, as per the standard X-Maxx. Coming up to the radio, we've got the VXL 8S ESC, paired that to the TQI receiver, and we will have the X-Maxx standard servo in there. Does it come with metal gears? I'm not too sure, but they are a very common option part is the metal gear set for these. What we do have though is big chrome bumpers on there, which are really nicely finished. I'll go ahead and take this one off. Have a look at the finish on that. That is an absolutely beautiful front bumper bar. Like I said, it is a very familiar X-Maxx. Makes it really nice and easy to work on. Because the shock towers and the chassis does in fact act like a car stand, which is really good. The arms, I believe, are standard X-Maxx stuff. Got these big beefy skid plates as per the X-Maxx XRT. We've got the center skid plate here protecting the drive line, and of course the big heavy duty skid plate here at the front. And these are something that's really worth replacing because these do get an absolute caning. But if you keep on top of these skid plates, it will take a lot better care of your suspension arms and pivot points than if you let them wear through to nothing, because you end up just grinding your suspension away. So that is what you get. You get the chassis, you get the wheels and tires, and you get the radio, along with the battery tray adjustments, so you can put in your soft case, your hard case, shorter packs, longer packs, they will all fit. And of course you've got your high-speed gearing, so that is really cool. Next thing I will look at though is the body set for this bad boy. So we'll get this out of the way. This looks like huge fun. Now these are sold separate, and I think there's 4 different. There's 2 F-150s, and the other one I think is Chev, and they come in red and green. So you buy the chassis and then you choose your body set. Body sets are available separately, which is great as for spare parts. So let's go ahead. Which one have I got here? I have in fact got the Bigfoot, synonymous, the granddaddy of monster trucks. Now I'm not sure if this body set comes complete or needs to be assembled. Let's have a look together. Let's whip this out. Well, it's got decals on there, I can see that straight away. It looks assembled. Take the box away. There's nothing in there rattling around. Let's have a look at this. Out of the big bag, wow, that is a beautiful body shell there. We've got an additional number plate that you can mount, and of course we have got the protective covering. Let's whip this off, because I'm going to put this vehicle on display and in the cabinet. Have a look at this. If you come into Hearns, you will see it in the skin, and it is worth looking at. Have a look at that. That is your 80s Ford monster truck right there. That is the granddaddy of monster trucks, Bigfoot. Beautifully presented, great stickers, and of course we do have the inner roll cage, the inner skeleton, if you will, to help keep it all taut and strong. And of course we've got the typical X-Maxx clipless body, so should be able to unlock that and whip it up. Let's put the body on and take a look at what it looks like. Excuse me for grunting. Oh, this thing weighs every bit of 10 to 12 kilos, I would say, without batteries. The wheels and tires are even heavier than normal. Gonna slide this one in here like so. Pop that in there. Have a look at that. We are on. It is on like Donkey Kong. The body sits in the chassis really, really nice. Like so. That is cool. And that, my friends, is the all new X-Maxx MT monster truck, or commonly referred to as Monster X. I love it. Absolutely cool. A great release from Traxxas. Do yourself a favor, grab yourself a chassis kit, choose whichever body that you like the most, and go have some fun. This is ready to tear it up. Absolutely. How cool is that? Throw a couple of 9 steps 4S lipos in there, pair that to your Sky RC D260 charger, and you are on your way to RC heaven. That is fantastic. Well, I am Brett from Hearns Hobbies, and thanks for taking a look at the latest release from Traxxas with me. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.